I'm here to tell you about a very exciting event that is going to be taking place at the end of this term during Enrichment Week on Tuesday the 19th of June. We're going to be, well actually before I tell you what the event is, I thought maybe it would be a good idea just to do a couple of quick science demonstrations with you. Okay, I have here a hard-boiled egg and a conical flask. What I'm going to attempt to do is get this egg inside the conical flask without touching it. But I need the help of a bit of paper. Some of you may have seen this before. It's a very old and very famous trick, but I'll show it to you anyway. I'll zoom in on the... Okay, here we go. First I need to light a piece of paper and put it inside the conical flask. And then I'm going to put the egg in. Zoom in. Inside the conical flask. Right. Now, okay, now I'm going to try and put the egg into the conical flask. But this time I'm going to hold the flask upside down, so it's going to go up into the flask. I'm going to use 2 candles. Okay. Light my candles. Okay, we ready? I'm going to put this over here, put the egg in the place. Okay, so before I say goodbye, I'm just going to tell you what the event is now. We're going to be holding the first ever Parkland's Young Einstein's Science Fair. Now everybody in grade 4, 5 and 6 has to take part. You're going to be working in pairs with somebody in your class. There has to be somebody in your class. Okay? Shh, 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 shh. Okay, now while my hand is about to say goodbye to you. I'm just going to say that I'm going to introduce a little bit more about what you're going to be doing for the science fair in class next week and giving you an application form to fill in. But if you're not sure of what to do, basically you can either invent something, and we're going to have this hall on Enrichment Week where we're going to basically display all of your experiments or inventions, and it's going to be a big event. It's going to be very exciting. Okay, so I'll explain more in class next week. If you're not sure what to do, don't worry. I have plenty of ideas for you to choose from, all right, which will be made available on the intranet soon. Okay, so that's something to look forward to. That's it. Bye-bye.